Hello working gnome. Today I will show you an easy and cheap way without special expensive tools, how to clean dirty windows for home or apartment. How often do you clean the windows of your property? I do it 3 times a year, but I should do it more often, because as you can see, the windows have a dirt filter on, which blocks the light and impairs the view of the lovely nature outside. Outside, environmental dust also settles on the windows and makes not only the windows but also the window sills much dirtier. To do the job, you need a bowl of warm water and a microfiber cloth, a glass and window cleaner spray bottle and a paper towel. First, with a wet cloth, wash the windows. The idea is to use the wet cloth to wash off a lot of dirt before cleaning the windows with the special window cleaner for best results. Start washing the windows from the inside as they are cleaner. Rinse the cloth to avoid scratching the windows if any debris has got in cloth. Wash the window frame and sill too. Then wash the outside windows and finish with the dirty windowsill. As you can see, the water has got considerably dirtier. Once you have washed the windows with warm water, it's time to use a special glass and window cleaner spray. Spray on the window and blot it clean off with a paper towel. Don't spray the window cleaner on all the windows at once as it will dry before you clean it, so spray it on the window, which you also wipe with a paper. Cleaning with warm water washes away most of the dirt and leaves the dirt that was stuck on softer. Clean the outside of the window too. Only by cleaning both sides of the window can get a perfect result. Perfect. Like new windows. Today is not a sunny day, but on a sunny day you can enjoy it even better when the windows are clean. Here you can see what is a clean window and what is a dirty one. Looking through a dirty window makes your life more gloomy. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and see you in another good home DIY video. Thank you.